The 2026 Jaecoo J5 EV in stone gray provides a premium-feeling electric SUV experience with upmarket tech such as a large central touchscreen, pet-friendly interiors, and decent driving dynamics with surprisingly good body control for its class, including LED lights, alloy wheels, and a focus on technology and family convenience, though some reviewers noted potential tire noise at high speeds. The 2026 Jaecoo J5 EV is one of the market's most affordable battery-electric small SUVs, starting at $35,990 plus on-road fees, or $36,990 drive-away, with optional premium paint for the first 1,000 customer orders. The 2026 Jaecoo J5 EV has a single permanent magnet synchronous motor that generates 155 kilowatts and 288 newton-meters of torque. The front wheels receive power from a 58.9 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate LFP battery under the floor. Jaecoo says that the 17.10 kilogram-tare J5 can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7.7 seconds, and has an energy consumption of 14.3 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. 3 levels of regenerative braking are available to help maximize efficiency. Eco, normal, and sport driving modes are also available. Recharging via the port on the front driver's side of the car accepts AC power up to 6.6 kilowatts, single-phase, and 10.3 kilowatts, three-phase, while DC current up to 130 kilowatts is supported. According to Jaecoo, the J5's battery can be charged from 30% to 80% in 28 minutes using a DC fast charging station. There is no time frame for AC charging, although it is safe to presume that the battery can be recharged overnight using a dedicated EV home charger. The 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and can be managed via the car's onboard voice assistant, Hello Jaecoo. The J5 features a USB-A port for charging and data transfer, and a USB-C port for rapid charging, as well as a 50-watt wireless charging pad at the base of the center screen and a 12-volt power outlet. A second 12-volt plug is located in the cargo area, and the back seat contains a USB-A charging port